Welcome to Academy of Learning Career College North York campus. Are you ready to shape the future of technology and design? Our software and web development diploma equips you with the skills and knowledge to thrive in today's digital world. Through hands-on training, you'll master essential tools and techniques, from front-end development with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, to creating seamless user experiences as a UI/UX developer. This program also dives deep into software development, preparing you to build innovative solutions for modern challenges. Whether you're interested in crafting dynamic websites, coding interactive applications, or designing user-friendly interfaces, our curriculum sets the foundation for a fulfilling career in tech. Graduates unlock exciting opportunities as web developers, front-end developers, software developers, and more. Take the first step toward a high-demand career. Enroll in the Software and Web Development Diploma today. Contact us at 647-494-5544 or email us at info@aolccnorthyork.com.